Miscellaneous exercise on chapter 12. First question. Three vertices of a parallelogram A, B, C, D are A with coordinates 3, minus 1, 2, B with coordinates 1, 2, minus 4, and C with coordinates minus 1, 1, 2. Find the coordinates of the fourth vertex. Solution. Given points are A with coordinates 3, minus 1, 2, B with coordinates 1, 2, minus 4, and C with coordinates minus 1, 1, 2. Let D with coordinates x, y, z be the fourth vertex of a parallelogram ABCD. Coordinates of midpoint of AC are three minus 1 divided by 2, comma, minus 1 plus 1 divided by 2, comma, 2 plus 2 divided by 2. That is 2 by 2, 1, 0, 4 by 2, that is 2. Coordinates of midpoint of BD are x plus 1 by 2, comma, y plus 2 by 2, comma, z minus 4 by 2. Since diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other, therefore coordinates of midpoint of AC is equal to coordinates of midpoint of B. Therefore, x plus 1 by 2 is equal to 1. This implies x is equal to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. Y plus 2 divided by 2 is equal to 0. This implies y is equal to 0 minus 2 is equal to minus 2, and z minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. This implies z is equal to 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Therefore, the coordinates of the fourth vertex of a parallelogram ABCD are 1 minus 2 8. Second question. Find the lengths of the medians of the triangle with vertices A with coordinates 0, 0, 6, B with coordinates 0, 4, 0, and C with coordinates 6, 0, 0. Solution. Given points are A with vertices 0, 0, 6, B with vertices 0, 4, 0, and C with vertices 6, 0, 0. Let AD B and CF be the medians of a triangle ABC. Therefore, coordinates of point D are 0 plus 6 divided by 2, comma 4 plus 0 divided by 2, comma 0 plus 0 divided by 2. That is 3, 2, 0. Therefore, AD is equal to square root of 3 minus 0 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square is equal to square root of 9 plus 4 plus 36 is equal to square root of 49 is equal to 7 units. Coordinates of point E are 0 plus 6 divided by 2, 0 plus 0 divided by 2, 6 plus 0 divided by 2, that is 3, 0, 3. Therefore, B is equal to square root of 3 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 4 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square is equal to square root of 9 plus 16 plus 9 is equal to square root of 34 units. Coordinates of point F are 0 plus 0 divided by 2, comma 0 plus 4 divided by 2, comma 6 plus 0 divided by 2, that is 0, 2, 3. Therefore, CF is equal to square root of 0 minus 6 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square plus 3 minus 0 whole square is equal to square root of 36 plus 4 plus 9 is equal to square root of 49 is equal to 7 units. Example. Find the coordinates of the centroid of the triangle whose vertices are with coordinates x1, y1, z1, x2, y2, z2 and x3, y3, z3. Solution. Let A with coordinates x1, y1, z1, B with coordinates x2, y2, z2 and C with coordinates x3, y3, z3 with the vertices of a triangle ABC. Let AD be the median of triangle ABC. Therefore, coordinates of point D are x2 plus x3 divided by 2, y2 plus y3 divided by 2, and z2 plus z3 divided by 2. Since centroid of a triangle G divides median AD in the ratio 2:1. Therefore, coordinates of point G are two into x2 plus x3 divided by 2 plus 1 into x1 whole divided by 2 plus 1 comma 2 into y2 plus y3 divided by 2 in plus 1 into y1 whole divided by 2 plus 1 comma 2 into z2 plus z3 divided by 2 plus 1 into z1 whole divided by 2 plus 1. That is 2 will get cancelled. x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3, z1 plus z2 plus z3 divided by 3. Third question. If the origin is the centroid of the triangle PQR with vertices P with coordinates 2a, 2, 6, Q with coordinates -4, 3b, -10, and R with coordinates 8, 14, 2c, then find the values of A, B and C. Solution. Given points are P with coordinates 2a, 2, 6, Q with coordinates -4, 3b, -10, and R with coordinates 8, 14, 2c. Therefore, coordinates of centroid of triangle PQR are 2a minus 4 plus 8 divided by 3, 2 plus 3b plus 14 divided by 3, comma 6 minus 10 plus 2c divided by 3. Since coordinates of centroid are 0, 0, 0, therefore 2a minus 4 plus 8 divided by 3 is equal to 0 implies 2a plus 4 is equal to 0 implies a is equal to minus 4 divided by 2 is equal to minus 2. 2 plus 3b plus 14 divided by 3 is equal to 0 implies 3b plus 16 is equal to 0 implies b is equal to minus 16 divided by 3, and 6 minus 10 plus 2c divided by 3 is equal to 0. This implies 2c minus 4 is equal to 0 implies c is equal to 4 by 2 is equal to